The world was dead, or so it seemed. On Luna Nova, not Earth, but the place humans called home, a solitary scientist named Idris Vale buried a seed in sterile soil. The plant was impossible. No sun, no rain, just cold electrolyte. Years passed. The plant lived. Unbeknownst to Idris, the seed carried memory, a genetic map of Earth's biodiversity, and with each bloom, it whispered stories of long-lost forests, oceans, birdsong. Curious researchers came to see. The plant's leaves stored melodic patterns of extinct languages. Across the domed city, whispers turned into urgency. If a plant could remember Earth, maybe humanity hadn't truly lost it. So a coalition formed, scientists, archivists, even diplomats from alien worlds, drawn by one question: can memory create life? They gathered beneath the grow labs, placing their hands on the leaves, and in that silent communion, something ancient stirred. The plant pulsed its light. Idris built a garden, not to feed mouths, but minds. Each plant synthesized Earth species, moss, wildflowers, coral-like vines. Cyber bees pollinated them. Children listened to humming databases hidden in petals. The garden spoke. When wind blew, it played lullabies. When rain dripped in tubes, it delivered stories. Lights pulsed in rhythms, heartbeat of Earth's memory. Doubters remained. One faction argued it couldn't be legacy. It was performance art made from DNA. Another said it was dangerous to reignite Earth myths. But when the first alien consul knelt under a fern and heard a voice whisper a lullaby in Earth's child's tongue, her stance shattered. No weapons had been drawn, no treaties needed. Life remembered what reading never warned. The garden bloomed at midnight, and the world learned why memory matters. But memory alone wasn't enough. The seed hadn't just recreated Earth, it had sent pulses into space. Beacons carried song-coded DNA across systems. A lost ship heard it. From the void came the Ark survivors, humans who hadn't settled, even left Luna Nova centuries ago. They landed in silence. No map, no guide. Just the garden humming beneath the domes. With tears, they recognized the plant of their ancestors, the same lullaby, the same bloom. Together they restored old Earth archives, music, art, records. They rebuilt not cities, but memory systems. Each bloom became a node in a living archive. They fed cables with petals. They taught computers to dream in chlorophyll. In that silent communion, they didn't just remember Earth, they became it again. The garden spread. Astrogarden domes emerged on orphan worlds. Plants shipped across star lanes. Children on distant colonies learned Earth lullabies in nursery creches. AI archivists played floral music to soothe data storms. When war threatened in the Ember Nebula, opposing fleets paused, touched by a broadcast of Earth's symphonic seed pulse. They saw memorial petals drifting through holographic space. Diplomacy began with humming spores, not lasers. Museums formed, not with relics, but gardens of memory. Idris, now elderly, witnessed the garden housed on 1,000 worlds. He whispered, "Memory gave us back the universe." And when he passed, the garden pulsed darker for 3 nights, but then resumed, a final bloom for its keeper. Life emerged, memory thrived, peace spread. The garden kept growing, even after the last human shed its mortal coil, because memory can make worlds bloom from silence.